don't know how I'm gonna eat all this food. It looks amazing though. Hello. Hello. It's beautiful. Okay, this is one of the most amazing spreads that I've ever seen. It's incredible. A little crab, some prawns, salami, lamb, some cheese, apricot. And then they're custom making these sashimi. Isn't that a beautiful presentation? It's just amazing. Just amazed. That's where the fireworks are going to be later tonight. I'll be probably getting some of that. They're doing some kind of competition between China and Canada, from what I've heard. That is some high quality tuna there. Snail. Time for the land animals, except for the little squid right there, or octopus, I mean, and that might be fish too. We got chicken, pork belly, pork this, pork ribs, beef. Yeah, yum. Well, this is near the end of my very fun evening. I went up to the 45th floor of the Marriott Courtyard here, and they had this beautiful buffet dinner in preparation for this huge fireworks display that's going on. You can see it out my window here. And had a great dinner, and then they turned the lights down and the fireworks started going off. This is like a huge event here in Da Nang that they do. I don't know, maybe it's once a year in June. They do it a couple times during the month of June. And today is the final competition of these fireworks displays. Canada and China are competing with each other. And it is pretty impressive, and the hotel is so close to the fireworks. So I got my fill upstairs and got some stuff filmed for you. And then I thought, I think I'm ready to go down to my room and do some more programming. But I've had a very enjoyable evening. I didn't talk a whole lot while I was filming this evening, so I think I'm just going to let it speak for itself, the visuals, and that's how it's going to go this time. Hopefully it'll be interesting, but they really did a great job. This courtyard is nothing like the Marriott courtyards back in the United States. This is like a 5-star hotel, and I've been to some really nice hotels around the world, like the Waldorf Astoria in Versailles and other really nice ones, and this one's pretty close. They have done an amazing job here. I've really been enjoying it, and this is just my second day. So, all right, with that, hopefully this all recorded nicely and we can see the fireworks behind me as I've been talking. I'm signing off. All right. All right, I thought I was done, and then I looked out my window, looked down at the street, and I saw so many motorcycles. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but there are so many motorcycles down there moving along traffic to watch these fireworks, which are going off. Where are they? There we go. Got some reflection in my window. Yeah, those fireworks are just going off like crazy. And then you look down at the street here. Look at that. Swarm. Wow, this is a big deal. You can see all these boats over. Let's see if I can find them here. Yeah, there's all these boats with lights on them down in the river. I'm sure they're full of people too watching the fireworks. It's a big deal here. Looks like some kind of grand finale maybe. This fireworks display has been going on for about 15 minutes, unabated. And gosh. All right, I'm signing off for real this time. Pretty sure.